Hello all, today I'm going to explain you on the REST API from the scratch. REST API is a representational state transfer API which enables the communication between the client and the server over the HTTP. It exchanges the data typically in the JSON format. So what is an API? API is the application programming interface which acts as a messenger between the two applications. Real life example is the restaurant. The flow is like customer will order, the waiter will take the order and it will go to the kitchen. Once the food is prepared, it is taken from the kitchen to the waiter and to the customer. So what is GET request? Basically used to retrieve the data. It is used to get the user details, like this will be the JSON format, ID, name and email ID. Real example is the Amazon product, Instagram profile, view bank account balance. GET only it's the read the data. Next is post request. Post request is used to create a new data. Like example, this is the JSON format, like ID, name, email ID, and post is to the user, which will create the new user. Example, the register account, placing the order, uploading the file, submitting the form is something like a post request. Put is used to update the existing data. So which is, if the name is John Smith, if we are updating it, after the update we do with the John Smith or any name, like this is basically the update request, which example is the edit profile, update address, change the password is the examples of the put request. Delete request is nothing but you're deleting the user, like which you are removing the data. So like example is the deleting the account, deleting the order, remove the product from the cart, delete removes the data permanently. So delete is used to remove the data. So these are the HTTP codes. So 200 is okay, 201 is created, 203 is non-authoritative information content, and 400 is bad request, 401 is unauthorized, 403 is forbidden, 404 is not found, 409 is conflict. So there are levels like 200, 400 and 500 level. Is 500 is the internal server error, 503 is service unavailable, 501 is not implemented, 504 is gateway timeout, 599 is network timeout, and bad gateway 50T2. So let me open the visual code to show you the simple REST API, creating a simple API. So this is the requirements, is the FastAPI UIcorn. So you need to get it installed by, this is the main.py. So from the FastAPI, importing the FastAPI framework from Pydantic, it is for the data validation. Here we are creating an app. So these are all like the users will be there, and this is the Pydantic thing, like class ID, name, email ID, and this is the function which is used to create the user ID, and it will return the message user is created successfully. Next function is to get the user. If the user is users from the users ID, which will get the user ID. If the user ID is not in users, it will return the error message user not found. And this function will delete the users. Definition: delete user ID integer. If the user ID not in users, and it will return the error message user not found, and it will return the message like user deleted successfully. So once you run the Python underscore muvcon main app, it will open a beautiful Swagger UI. So here it is used to create users, it will use to get the users, here it is used to delete the users. Thank you for watching. Bye.